This is a 2014 Impala, and I've got a bad battery. The car wouldn't start, which surprised me because I bought this battery only not quite 4 months ago. So I tested it, and I charged it all night, tested it. It's only pulling 10.5 volts. Won't even turn the car over. So the battery is bad. I also tested the alternator, and it's putting out plenty of voltage, so it is the battery. We're going to take it back and get a credit. We got to replace this thing. So there's 2 clips you saw me push on right there, and then pull the cover off like that. One on either side. Then that is a 10 millimeter right here. I'm going to take the negative off first. Get it out of the way. Just loosen it up. Push it there so it doesn't come back on us. Now this little cover right here has a couple of clips on it. You just pop up. So next thing we're going to do, take the positive lead off like this. Set it aside. Now one thing you'll notice is there's a little clip right here. So it's kind of a pain. But you got to get that out of the way. Alright, then take a 13 millimeter. I'm going to take this off so that we can pull all this out of the way. Alright, there we are. Set that aside. Now there's some clips on the side of the battery. So if you take a screwdriver and kind of pop that up, and easier said than done. Pop that out of there. Come on. Okay, it's going to give me some trouble. Come on. Need a skinnier screwdriver, maybe. There we are. Yep, that's what we needed. Alright, so as you can see, that kind of gets that out of the way. Make sure that stays out of the way. Then, a 13 millimeter here. Take off the mount. Set down. Now my battery should be loose. And I should be able to just slide it out of here. And I got to make sure the clip hasn't reattached itself right there. Got it. There we go. Now you'll notice this little thing likes to slip back down. So what you can do, put it up here, slide a screwdriver in there, so when you go to put the new battery in, it doesn't fall down underneath it. And then you got to pull the battery back out. Alright, I'm going to head over and get a new battery. See if they'll give me credit for this one since it's not even 4 months old.